purpose of this video is for you to be able to carry sig figs through multiplication and division problems. I know it doesn't say multiplication or division, but that's the symbol that I'm using for multiplication, and that's the symbol that I'm using for division. You would use this rule or follow this rule, hopefully, whenever you divide. Let's say you were calculating density, mass divided by volume, or when you multiplied area of a circle. As you can see, Dr. Square would definitely use this formula when he wanted to know the area of this circle. So he's going to follow this rule. Now the same rule is one rule for both multiplication and division. And here is the rule that Dr. Square loves. He adores it. Can't get enough of it. Talk your ear off about it. That the answer has the same amount of sig figs as the measurement with the least amount of sig figs. And that's the rule. Now, here's the heart of the rule. Let's say Dr. Square had the same circle. He measured the radius quickly to be around 2 centimeters. If he were to calculate the area of the circle based upon that, the answer he would end up with is 10. Let's say he did it again and got the radius to be 1.6. When he did his calculations, he could get to know the answer a little bit better. He would know the answer to be 8.1. Forgot to move the rule, or Dr. Square would have done it like that. Here it's like right around 1.6, and you can see he just guessed it at 2. But when he did it with 1.6, it came out to be 8. So when it says the heart of the rule, it's basically like another way of expressing the rule. The answer's exactness must be the same as the measurement with least amount of exactness. All right, let's go back to that circle. Let's say he measured the radius to be 4.2 centimeters. He wants to know the area. Here's his formula. Area is pi r squared. All right. Now, 4.2, he plugs the radius into the equation, and then he's going to square it, and he's going to want to square 17.64 is, when you square 4.2, you get 17.64. Now, when you multiply that by 3.14 times 17.64, you get this, 55.3896. Now, .2 has 2 sig figs. Therefore, my answer can only have 2 sig figs. So my answer would be 55. I find the first 2 digits. In this case, it's the 5 and the 5, and round to there. So the answer would become 55 centimeters squared.